Looking to sell your house quickly in Las Vegas? The process might seem daunting, but with the right steps and strategies, it can be a breeze. Today we'll walk through some proven tips and tricks to help you sell your home quickly and efficiently in the Las Vegas real estate market. First things first, pricing your home right is crucial. You don't want to set the price too high or too low. A high price might deter potential buyers, while a low price might make you lose out on potential profit. Conduct market research, compare prices with similar properties, and consider hiring a professional appraiser to help you set the most competitive price. Next, consider staging your home. Staging is the process of preparing your home for sale in the real estate marketplace. It involves decluttering, cleaning, and sometimes redecorating to make your home as attractive as possible to potential buyers. A well-staged home can sell faster and for a higher price. Then, it's time to market your home. Use high-quality photos and catchy descriptions to showcase your property. Use various platforms including traditional media, social media, and online property listings to reach a wider audience. A good marketing strategy can attract more potential buyers and speed up the sale. Don't forget to make your home available for viewing. Open houses and private viewings give potential buyers a chance to see the property up close. Make sure your home is clean and presentable during these viewings. Lastly, hire a competent real estate agent. An experienced agent can guide you through the selling process, negotiate the best price, and handle the paperwork. They also have extensive networks that can help find potential buyers faster. So, to recap, here are the key steps to sell your house quickly in Las Vegas. First, price your home right. Use market research and professional appraisal to set a competitive price. Second, stage your home. Make it clean, decluttered, and attractive to potential buyers. Third, market your home effectively. Use high-quality photos, catchy descriptions, and multiple platforms to reach a wider audience. Fourth, make your home available for viewings. And lastly, hire a competent real estate agent to guide you through the process. By following these steps, you can increase your chances of selling your home quickly and at a good price in the Las Vegas market. Happy selling!